Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear, well, you probably can't help but hear the rain in the background, but I feel like I have to sneeze, so I thought I'd share this with you. And again, sorry, I've been gone for a while. I saw some comments I need to answer and some videos I need to make. Hold on, the sneeze is coming. So yeah, I still have some things I need to do, and I need to sneeze. And these are natural sneezes. I did not tickle my nose at all. These are just natural sneezes. I guess having allergies does kind of have its benefits, or bright side, I should say. But anyway, bye guys.